Alright, good morning, good day. This is the African Crypto Warlord. I hope you guys are doing well and that you have had a lovely start to the year. The goal of this channel is to provide you with valuable information and help you see that markets aren't so random. If you find this information valuable, please do smash your face on that like button and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Let's have a killer 2023. So what are we going to do? We're going to quickly go have a look at historical data from Dixie, the dollar strength index, and we're starting off on August 2004. This is our mean at $89. We come again and we touch it March 2009, again in July 2010, again we break through November 14th, end of the year in December 2016, early year Feb 2018, and again we come in and we touch the 31st of March 2021, setting our current high on Monday the 28th, alright, of this year. And now we're looking for a new mean that was also printed over here at $97 on March 2022. So as you can see, mid-years, new 21-day trends seem to definitely have a pickup. We do know that they can close below them and they do have pullback. So what are we doing here? We're literally saying what is going to stop Dixie from hitting any one of these numbers: $88, $96, and 97.84 cents worth of dollars. Okay, so I'm going to make this quick and easy. If it closes below this range here, expect a pullback into at least $97. What does that mean? Bitcoin will more than likely get stronger, thus it will go up in price, or if Bitcoin is dumping, then it will go sideways. If Bitcoin is pumping, currently with this thing just going sideways, then you can maybe see an extension on the rally. If Dixie turns around and goes back up to 106, you can expect Bitcoin to put in a lower high. I'm just saying, that's a future observation we'll find out about. Get down here, Bitcoin and stonks and metals get strong. Get back up here, they start to get weak. Alright, let's go look for volatility. So volatility over here is saying sideways on the 14-day, a little bit of bullish mean reversion, hidden bull div, close above 103.70 cents. You can look for continuation. Same thing here, but getting faded because we haven't hit the mean yet, but we are having outlier events on the 7-day. Close above 103.55 cents. You can maybe look for continuation, but first scalp will be around about 105.70 cents. That's on the 21-day. Look for bearish mean reversion to come out of that when you start closing there. Then you have some expansion to the upside on volatility, that on the top side here with contraction. So sideways is what is keeping it at this orange line to the T. Hidden bear div. Start closing below anywhere between $106. That's your fading strike. You can have a hidden bull div pull from here. There is some mean reversion plays that we will look out for. Volatility starting to contract whilst two outliers, so we must observe, do we have negative or positive drift? Negative drift keeps us below the orange line. Positive drift gets us to the top of this orange line. That's on the 5-day, very important. Alrighty then, now you start closing above this orange line at 103.58 cents. Oh, let me drop it. 103.48 cents. You can have a bullish attempt at holding the mean, and that can send you up to 105. If it goes up, BTC goes down generally, and if this goes down, BTC goes up. Now we have had our outlier event as we're looking for. We're looking for contraction and volatility to see if this has continuation to the downside or to the upside. Having an outlier event down here, but breaking through, so I'm going to look for a little bit of continuation. Only thing that's holding this up is that the range is very, very tight. Alright, not so much range, so can't see how sensitive it is to the data. Oh, let's just pop back. That's expansion to the downside, losing its trend on the 1-day. Now we've got sideways on the 12-hour, also outlier event, not so good. Let's see contraction again, sideways here. But if it does expand and these two guys are pointing down, this thing gets faded to the downside. Let's start looking for some targets. Let's throw up some VRE levels over here. Nothing as of yet, we'll have to zoom in. Alright, close above the 3-hour reverse wave trend, look for 103.70 cents. Contraction naturally looks like it wants to have some positive drift out of here, which would mean slow pump or bears will get destroyed because they just keep on trying to short the rally. That's generally what's happening. Contraction, positive correlation, so this is going to be sideways until stated otherwise, but hold above 103.47 cents. Could look for continuation up. Very catchy time. This is usually the trade that I would take because my lines are crossing clean here. We're looking for a mean reversion play and we bounced off, but this is still a bit too high for me, Pearson correlation, so maybe I'll wait for another candle. Alright, so what do we have here? We have some expansion to the downside, sort of starting to let go on the 45 minute. We will throw up a reverse wave trend, keep it below those two orange lines. This thing's going to unwind all the way down, and that's where its initial scalp will be if it's saved over here at 103. Alright, and then we're going to get a good general direction on trend, L to R, back, big, VRE levels. We have a daily that's opened up over here, so initial $103.66 will be the target before daily close. As you can say, can get scalped here. A lot of negative drift in the market at the moment. Let's leave it off on the 15 minute, looking for bullish pitch out of here. You close below the reverse wave trend, 103.50 cents. Look for downside and look for continuation. Close above 103.50 cents. You can maybe look for a region of 103.66 cents. Alright, so very catchy time, and I will make this super surgical for you guys, because what are we doing here? You are looking for a pullback into 103, or I'm looking for a pullback into 103.15 cents. From there, we can close above. Let's go back extra more. Let's go back. There we go. And we'll pull up this guy. Quite festive. Hopefully you can't hear some children screaming. Close below 103.73 cents. Look for continuation to 102.25 cents as initial pit stop. Failed there, any one of these lines, 95 and 97. And just to verify my data, what have we got here? There's a 10. I need to zoom out. What have we got over here? 97 and 96 and a 88. I'm looking for a mean reversion play down here. If it does get all the way down there, it will have to break through. This is its current range. This is the first one it wants to hit. Hold above there. Look for continuation up. Bitcoin gets weaker as this goes up generally, and this goes down. Bitcoin gets stronger. If it does go down, you're looking for a base over here. If it does go up, I would say any one of these levels for Dixie. One here at 110. Another one here at 101.1480 cents, 101.915 coming into play. Who is already in play? Also coming in play is 96.15. Okay, that is where liquidity is, and as you saw in the reverse wave trend, it just needs to hold above here, and it can have the opportunity to test higher. If it closes below here, it's going to come test any one of those bands. Hope that was helpful. Please do smash your face on the like and subscribe button. I'm really looking forward to killing it this year with you. African Crypto Warlord out. Ciao Bella and pow pow.